cross-cutting the pen blank, it's time to drill a hole for the pen tube. Use a small square and sharp pencil to mark diagonal lines on one end of each blank. The intersection of the perpendicular lines is a center point. Indent the marked center point with an awl or center punch. There are several good methods to drill a hole through a pen blank. One is to use a drill press with a pen blank drilling center vise. It's essential to center the hole at both ends of the blank when you drill. To do this, verify the drill press table is 90 degrees front to back and also side to side to the bit. Adjust your table if necessary. Set the drill press speed between 500 and 750 RPM. A slow speed and sharp bit are less likely to scorch the hole when drilling. Center the bit tip over the clamped up blank. Drill about ½ inch into the blank. Raise the bit, allowing the chips to clear from the bit flutes. Repeat every 3/8 to ½ inch. If you don't have a drill press, then another good option to drill a pen blank is to use a dedicated pen blank drilling chuck in the lathe headstock and a drill or Jacob's chuck in the tailstock end of the lathe. Rotate the tailstock spindle handle using a slow lathe speed and slowly drill a hole centered through the blank. With this method, the pen blank rotates and the drill bit does not. Back the bit out every ½ inch to expel chips from the flutes. To get a centered hole, it's important your pen blank end is square and not rectangular. A third low-tech solution to drill pen blank holes is to use your portable drill in this Penn State Industries Drill Blanks Anywhere support system, which adjusts for depth and includes a centering vise to position your blanks. This system is designed for wood blanks requiring no larger than a 10mm hole size. Check the pen kit instructions to determine the size of drill bit you need. Some of the most common pen blank tubes require a 7mm, 8mm, 10mm, or 3/8 inch bit. There are several drill bit type options. The most common type is a standard twist bit. Although good for drilling wood, plastic, and even metal, the disadvantage is that they tend to tear the material when starting the hole, and the blunt end may cause the bit to wander. At first glance, a brad point bit looks like a twist bit, but the sharp edges of the flutes create a cleaner entry hole. The pointed center spur makes it easy to center the bit over a marked or indented center point to eliminate bit wander. A brad point bit also works well when drilling end grain. If you need to drill through acrylic pen blanks, consider the bullet-tipped high-speed steel hybrid acrylic blank drill bit. These hybrid bits are ground at 140 degrees, while standard drill bits are only ground at 120 degrees. So, these hybrid bits give you cleaner holes and minimal to no blowout. Here's a handy chart to show you what bits will work best for the most popular materials. For wood, a brad point bit will work best. For stabilized wood, a brad point or twist bit will work best. And for drilling acrylic, a twist bit or hybrid acrylic bit will work best. Placing a scrap piece of wood tightly against the bottom end of a pen blank helps support the wood fibers or acrylic to minimize tear out when the bit exits the blank.